The cut profile tool in Revit helps you to change the shape of elements that are cut in a view. Elements such as walls, roofs, floors, and another model elements that are found in Revit, such as column. A cut profile tool is view specific and it is detailed in nature, in the sense that it does not affect the model. Imagine if I wanted to edit these walls on this call out view to add some details to it around the window area. I will go to my view, then go to the cut profile, and then click on the wall that I want to edit the cut profile, and sketch the part that I want to cut out from this shape around this window end. So one thing that is very important here is this arrow. You can see if wherever the arrow is pointing to is kept, while the other part that is backing away from the arrow at the tail end is cut off. So when you sketch the shape, make sure you point the arrow to the direction of the profile you want to retain. So I'm also going to do same here now, and look at the small arrow there at the middle. That controls the direction of the profile which is retained and the profile that is cut off. So ensure you always check that profile. One thing with cut profile, just like I've said there already, is that you can easily revert back because it's a mere detail element. It's not going to affect your model, and it is view specific. In other words, it only shows on the view where you've used it. Like only this cut profile detail that I've added to this view now will only appear on this view. It's not going to appear in any other view. So you can see. So it's a fine way to add the details to your call out without needing to model or do much work on the view itself. So that is it for the cut profile tool, and I hope you enjoyed it. I'll see you later.